Hello and welcome back to another Python 3.7 tutorial series. My name's Tom with MasterCode Online. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the count string method. And what the count string method does is it counts a substring occurrence in a string. So let's take a look at how this all works. Let's go ahead and create a string. It's going to be represented by A, and this string is going to be Mississippi, M-I-S-S-I-S-S-I-P-P-I. Alright. Now, what we want to do first is let's get all the I occurrences in the string. So how do we do that? We do A period. So we're calling the method count. There's the method. And then in here it takes a single required argument, and that's going to be a substring, and our substring is going to be I in this case. Now, the count string method takes two other arguments that we're going to take a look at in the next couple of examples. I just want you to remember they're optional. Alright, so start index and end index. So let's go ahead and see how the count string method works. We hit enter and we get 4. It returns an integer to us how many times it is found in an occurrence. So if I look at this, we get 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 occurrences of the substring I. Alright. So let's go ahead and take a look at another example. This time we're going to throw out a start index position. So we're going to say, hey, count the number of occurrences in Mississippi, but start at S. Alright, so let's go ahead and just bring up Mississippi one more time. I push up on my keyboard to bring up the last couple of commands, and there we go. Alright, so let's go ahead and do a.count, and we're going to pass in our substring of I, then a comma, and then we're going to use 2, because I want to go ahead and start our count string method here at S, the first S in Mississippi, so 0, 1, 2. Hit return, and now I get 3. So since we started here, we got 1, 2, 3 occurrences of the substring I. There you go. Alright, how about if we use a ending index? Let's take a look at that. Bring up my string again, and we're going to go ahead and do a.count, and we're going to say I, and then comma, 2, and then comma, and this time 10. So what we're doing here is we're going to go ahead and end the count string method here on I, which actually technically ends it on P. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're stopping here. And remember, when we put an ending index in, we're actually stopping one character before the ending index. So I go ahead and hit return, and now I got 2 occurrences of the letter I. Alright, so let's take a look at another example. The substring is case sensitive. So if I go ahead and do this, let's clear my screen, bring up Mississippi again, and we're going to go ahead and do a count, and this time we're going to pass a substring with capital I, hit return, 0 occurrences. Alright, so you may be wondering, how can we handle this if we don't want Mississippi to, or we want just to know if the letter I, doesn't matter what the case classification is, it's uppercase or lowercase, is in this string. We could do a.count, and then we'll call our string I, capital I, and then we do casefold. We just saw this one in a previous tutorial, and close out our method, hit return, and now we got 4 occurrences. So we're removing the uppercase classification to this substring. We could also use another one that we're about to look at, and we could say uppercase I, and then we're going to call another string method lower, and like I said, we're going to look at this shortly in another tutorial, and this makes it lowercase to match the lowercase i's up here. So there you go, there's the count string method. If you guys have any questions, head over to MasterCode Online, let us know over there, and we'll be more than happy to help you. I'll see you in the next tutorial.